I'm engineer Mahdi Ruhi from Asatім of Iran. This time we have LG model K10 2017 which has backlight problem. And of course, there isn't any solution or schematic or flow chart of it. So we must repair this phone with reverse engineering. Let's go.
The phone is on, and also we have a screen too. We can see LG logo, but we don't have backlights. First we open the phone. Then we check the appearance of the piece. These two capacitors are on the path of backlight, so we connect them wires. To speed up, I completely bring out the backlight circuit for reverse engineering. I use beep check and we connect one head of multimeter to this wire, which I soldered before, and with the other head we find the end of circuit. We find out that it directly goes under the IC, so this is our cathode. Again with beep check, I find the second wire path which I soldered before. With beep test, the path of anode is determined. I will determine with ground test that this is a series capacitor or parallel. It turned out to be parallel. To ensure, one more time I check the anode path. Now by continuing anode path and crossing series circuit and reverse engineering, I remake the anode circuit. For better understanding, just listen to beep check places. So this place is switching. Also, this capacitor and its circuit is related to chestnut, that of course is series. Now I rebuild an circuit and also I change the pieces, but I will replace the previous IC.
You can see the backlight problem is solved. Tamam.